am Leo. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Today we will learn the ABC letters together. A is for apple. B is for ball, ball.
C is for cat.
Meow.
And D is for dog.
Woof, woof. Oh. E is for elephant. Caw, caw, chow. F is for fish. Caw.
G is for grapes. H is for hat.
I is for ice cream. J is for juice.
K is for kite, K-Num. Hayes, Kara.
That's right.
L is for Leo and lion down.
M is for monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. N is for nest.
Chirp, chirp.
O is for orange. Chirp. P is for parrot. Squawk. Q is for queen. Indeed. And R is for rabbit. Yes. Good job.